Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Definite green day for the green products. All I got to say about this one is, damn, I've thought about pulling the trigger on this one in the past, but I, for whatever reason, didn't. I'm really kicking myself now, but this is GW Pharmaceuticals. And you can see the run-up that it's had here in the last 3 months, 118%, 85% in the last month, and 34% in the last week. And there you can see it's just sailing like a, wow, just like a jetliner, just running full steam ahead. So if you don't know what this one is, it's a biopharmaceutical company which engages in the discovery, development, and commercialization of novel therapeutics. It offers its MJ product, Epidiolex oral solution CV, a pharmaceutical formulation of MJ, focusing on the treatment of seizures associated with tuberous sclerosis complex. Founded in 2001, a $6.97 billion market cap, and no dividend on this one. And unfortunately, I don't own any of this one. This is about the only MJ stock that I do not have. Why GW Pharma's stock is trading higher today. Shares are trading higher today after the company announced it will be acquired by Jazz Pharmaceuticals, JAZZ, for $220 per ADS in cash and stock. GW Pharmaceuticals is a biopharmaceutical company focusing on discovery, developing, and commercializing novel therapeutics. And the company's lead product candidate is Epidiolex, which is a liquid formulation of pure plant-derived MJ used for the treatment of a number of rare childhood onset epilepsy disorders. So very cool. If you have Netflix, there's a show on Netflix that shows a mother giving her kid a couple drops. He's got epilepsy, and it's pretty sad. I mean, but she gives him the couple drops. They had moved to Colorado just so she could purchase the product there for him. And he's laying there shaking, having the seizure with the epilepsy. She drops, I don't know, 2-3 drops on his tongue. Or maybe it's under the tongue, subcutaneous, I can't remember, but within, I don't know, 10 to 30 seconds, just laying there totally chill. It's just sad watching, I mean, the documentary. It's interesting, but I have 3 kids. It'd just be, I don't know, it'd be kind of a touchy situation to have somebody like that, but this is an amazing product for people in that type of situation. And it was a really good show. I can't remember the article, but if you just do a search and for either this product or you should be able to find it. So anyway, GW Pharma stock was up 44.72% at $211.65. At the publication time, the stock has a 52-week high of $217.50 and a 52-week low of $67.98. So that would have been a good buy, but missed that one. So I have a lot of other MJs, so we'll get those to going up. And again, this just kind of goes over Jazz Pharma to buy for $7.2 billion. Adding MJ-based drug to portfolio. So if you search for this word here on Netflix, you should be able to find that show. There's probably a couple of them. I haven't watched it in a couple months, so there's probably a couple more on there by now. But Again, this just kind of goes over, this is just a different article here on Reuters, kind of basically the same thing. GW Pharma's Epidiolex, the first MJ-derived drug to be approved in the United States, amen to that, generated sales of $500 million for the UK-based company last year. Analysts expect sales to breach $1 billion soon. So, I don't know, might just have to watch this stock. I don't know, it still might be tempting to purchase it, even, it's difficult to say, I'm almost biting my tongue, but it still might be one to watch and pick up. I mean, if that's going to double, I mean, it could still run up. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion on that, because, I mean, it's been a pretty green day today, but maybe it'll dip, and maybe that would be a way, but if you don't have $200 for this one, you can dollar cost average into it on Robinhood. If you don't like that platform, a lot of people are getting away from it. I have a couple links in the description. You could also dollar cost average into it on M1 Finance. I use that platform from time to time. I wouldn't suggest trading on it because it's all market orders. You can't control the price you're going to purchase it because it's all slices. But you can dollar cost average, or if you, like I said, if you don't have $200, you can buy $20 of GW Pharma and just keep building it up that way. But anyway, there's numerous links, Webull, M1 Finance, Dell, Moomoo, help yourself. The drug was approved in June 2018 for the use of patients aged 2 years and older with rare childhood onset forms of epilepsy that are among the most resistant to treatment. It has since received wider approvals, including in children of 1 year and older. So like I said, this could be a huge thing even still to get in the stock. Not that I'm telling you to buy or sell it, but again, just stating my opinion. The deal took some MJ-focused exchange-traded funds, ETFs, by surprise. And I've made a couple videos on some exchange-traded fund. THCX, I think, is one in the library, as well as MJ, MSOS, and there's one or two other ones. I'll try to link those, but this is talking about the portfolio manager of medical cannabis and wellness. And so that's just still kind of the same information. Feel free to pause it and read that there for yourself. This is, I kind of touched on my other video that should be dropping here any minute, Sundial. They had a great day, but 68% of Americans want MJ to be legal in the United States. And there's just kind of a little picture there, image. On Wednesday, MJ investors received more good news when Jazz Pharmaceuticals said it would buy GW Pharmaceuticals. So there it is again. So that's, you're going to be hearing a lot about this, I'm pretty sure, in the days to come. But and this is already over. I wish I would have known what this said yesterday before all this information came out, but it's showing a moderate buy, so be interesting to see if that changes here in the next day or two. But that's it for GW Pharma. I'm kicking myself I didn't purchase this one, but that would have been a good buy. If you have this one, if you bought it anywhere back in here, that would be awesome to know. It's almost doubled in price. It's went up $100 here in the last month, so that would be awesome. But for whatever reason, I didn't pull the trigger on this one. Just didn't feel good about it, and there you go. So that's how the channel got its name, falling forward instead of falling backward. So, but anyway, that's it for this one. If you haven't hit that like button, if you could go ahead and hit that for me, that really helps out the channel, as well as subscribing. And trying to get up to 500 subscribers and then on my way to 1,000. So I thank you for all the support and watching the videos. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.